G'day, Artie McDowell here from ontoaustralia.com. In this video you will learn about studying dentistry in Australia. It is designed for international students, and the benefit is that it will be easy for you to find schools and courses and to study in Australia. The first cool thing I want to show you is a YouTube video. It's a video of a student, international student called Sean, and he's studying his first year at dentistry at the University of Queensland. Here's the link here. Check it out. The next thing I want to show you is this simple 7-step guide. It's by the College of Adelaide. It's called How to Become a Dentist in Australia, a simple 7-step guide. So the benefit of this is that there'll be no more guessing for you on how to do it. You should just follow this simple guide, and so you can feel more comfortable about studying in another country. So here's the link here. Check it out. Okay, this is the blog. And you can see the title, How to Become a Dentist in Australia, a simple 7-step guide. Step number 1, this is the student. Step number 1, do some research and find the right university pathway for you. Number 2, enroll in a foundation studies or bridging course. Maybe you've already done some dentistry certifications in your country. Number 3, it's time to move to Australia and start your studies. Number 4, you've finished your foundation studies and the next step is to begin your degree. Number 5, congratulations, you've been accepted into your bachelor's degree. Here's what to expect. Number 6, wow, you're going to graduate soon, it's time to start looking for work. Number 7, register with the Dental Board of Australia. Congratulations. Next, I want to show you the four ways to find the best dentistry schools in Australia. This will give you an advantage over the others who don't know this secret. It's to use this website, the World University Rankings QS website. Here's the link down here, check it out. Okay, so once you follow the link to this page, you can see that the dentistry topic is loaded here. If you want to choose a different study field, you can choose it here. You can see here there are all the schools in the world listed. So you can look through this list and look for an Australian school. There's no Australian school in the top 25. But if we filter by location and choose Australia, you'll see now there's a list of 2. You can also filter here by year. Okay, so according to top universities, the University of Melbourne is the best Australian school for dentistry, and the University of Adelaide is the second best. Next, I want to show you where to compare Australia's best dentistry schools so that you can choose one that is best for you. So this is a different website. If you can see the link here, it's universityreviews.com.au, and it's an Australian website, so check it out. Okay, so according to them, the James Cook University is the best. This is for 2017, so it's a little bit outdated. University of Adelaide is number 2, and University of Queensland is number 3. The thing I like about this is they give you a bit of a review of each university, and they also give you the dental school rankings here. So you can see the number of students, and they also give you a table of school size, dental school size. You can see the number of students here. University of Adelaide has the most students, and University of Western Australia has the least amount. Now, finding out about tuition fees for international students, you can use the same website and you can find out what you must do to avoid getting overcharged by an education agent for school fees. And you can learn how to research the price of courses in Australia. So here's the link here. Let's check out the website. Okay, so this is the page here. It says tuition fees for international students. They give you a table for bachelor degrees, and you can see the whole list of universities here, and the average annual fees here. So STEM is science, arts and education, and so that's where dentistry will fit in there, in this column here. Another good, and they also show master's degrees in this table. And another good thing I like about this page is they show the lowest tuition fees for international students. So you can have a look at this list here. They give you a list of country Australia universities. So that is universities outside of the capital cities. For example, here, University of Sunshine Coast is a low-fee university. And these are also some more low-fee universities. And if you want low-fee universities in capital cities, you can see these ones here. So in Sydney, you have the Australian Catholic University, which is a low-fee university. And also they give you the cheapest universities for the capital cities. So this is Melbourne, this is Sydney, Perth. Now, if you already know what school you want to go to, you can just go to their website directly and you can just look for the price there. And make sure you look for the international student price. So here's an example here. Check out this link. It's for the University of Melbourne. Let's check out the page. So if you do a search for the course that you want, then there will usually be a fees and scholarship section on that course page. And make sure you look at the international student fees. Here you can see you can change this to international students or local students. And then here is the fee. Did you know there is a database of all of the courses offered to international students? It is created by the Australian government and you can check the prices of a course there. It's called CRECOS and here's the link here. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is the CRECOS website. You can see you can do a course search, institution search, or you can search by state over here. Let's do a course search. So click on course search. And then type in dentistry and hit enter, hit search. It will give you a list of courses. You can click through on one of the courses. So let's click through on a master's degree here, this one. And you can see the price here, the tuition fee. This is for international students. And there are more details here about the course, the location, the institution details, and the contact details. Next is the single most important place you need to go if you want to get access to all of those CRECOS courses that I just showed you. So the user interface for the ontoaustralia.com search app is a lot easier to use than the CRECOS one. So what we did is we got all of the CRECOS data and we put it into our own app where it's easier for the user to do their searches and to find what they need. Here's the link here, so let's check it out. This is the homepage for ontoaustralia.com, and if we click through onto the search app, you'll see this search app will load. It will give you a list of all the universities, sorry, not all the universities, the top 26 universities in Australia, and you can enter in a query, a course name query, and it will give you a list of all the courses that contain that query. So let's enter dentistry. And you can see the number of the number of universities has reduced now to 6. And you can see the number of courses here for each university. So if we click on view course, you can see a list of the courses offered by that university. Okay, so let's say we're interested in this Doctor of Clinical Dentistry. What we need to do now is copy this name and then click here on CRECOS courses, view CRECOS courses. It will take you to the CRECOS website. And then it will give you a whole list of all of the courses for that university, but we want to find that dentistry one, so we will do Control F and Control V. It will paste it into the finder, and you can see it highlighted it for us here now, so we just click on that. And it will bring up that course page. If you scroll down, you can see the price here. Okay, and you can see other information about the course here. We hope you enjoyed this video. We hope you got benefit out of it, and we hope that you can find a way to get to Australia and study. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. You can subscribe, and you can also check out our website, ontoaustralia.com. You will see a card pop up now, and if you click on that, it will take you to our in-depth video on how to find dentistry courses for more information about dentistry courses in Australia. Okay, see you next time. Bye.